Hello, today I'll be analyzing S&P 500, ETF ticker symbol SPY. Today we are up 60 basis points and we have about 1 hour and 30 minutes left in trading. On the 1 hour chart, we are near overbought RSI. On the 4 hour chart, we are also approaching overbought RSI as well. We not quite hit it yet, but I do believe we may head higher on the overall trend. And we did find pretty good support on the 18-day moving average. That was in around last week, July 19th. We bounced off the 18-day moving average and we start to see the 9-day and 18-day starting to converge. So we may see a possibility that the buy volume is not quite as strong as before. So overall, I do see the trend going much higher. So if we were to find support, I do see the 18-day moving average no longer acting as support. Next will be the 50-day moving average, and that coincides with support found back in June 25th and past resistance dating back in early May as well. So this is at the price of $291.50. And as for resistance, we just broke all-time highs today, and the risk is really to the downside, and that price movement is roughly around, if we were to connect it with the 50-day moving average, that is roughly a price movement of 3.3% move down. And let's head to the forecast module. So down here, I'll go day by day where S&P 500 will head to in next coming days. So we have 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So which are one of these forecasts that we should look at? I believe we should look at the June 6, 2018 to August 9th or August 17, 2018. Reason why, I'll point out why. So I'll compare the current chart right here, or current trend, with this trend, the 2018 trend, and I'll prove why this trend is a reliable forecast to look at. So what we have in the beginning, we have a touch on the upper Bollinger Band right here. Then we proceeded to a downtrend right here. And then once more, we touch the upper Bollinger Band right here and another right here as well. And then in between those, we touch somewhat reverted to the mean, not touching the middle Bollinger Band, but the price action explains for itself. And then as for here, we start to see a similar pattern touching the upper Bollinger Band right above or in the beginning of the trend. Right after that, we see it in a down channel right down here. It made a quick reversal to touch the upper Bollinger Band right here and another touch of the upper Bollinger Band as well. In between, we see a reversion to the mean or touching the middle Bollinger Band right here and right here as well. So what we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. We also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are the same. The forecast and outcome would also be the same. So going back to June 6, 2018 to August 17, 2018, S&P 500 was up around 1.7%. So it looks like this trend is still continuing to head towards, much higher highs. So, and here's the line chart that I have. And we have the current trend right here, and overlapping it is the 2018, well, not that one. It's this one. 2018 trend. So that is all. If you enjoy this content, feel free to like, subscribe, comment, and Thank you for watching.